Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can send photos on Snapchat from your gallery. So let's say you clicked a photo from your normal camera. So I will click a random photo from my normal camera like this. Now let's say I want to send this photo as a snap. The first thing what I need to do is open my Snapchat. Now let's say I want to send that photo to somebody on my Snapchat. Now what I need to do is click on the gallery icon at the bottom left corner. You can see this little icon at the bottom left. You want to click on it and it'll take you to your gallery. Now once you're over here, make sure at the top you can see the camera roll section. Click on camera roll and all the pictures and all the video you took using your phone's camera, it's going to be shown over here. So this is the photo which I just took, the first one with the keyboard. I will click on that and I will click on send to, and I can send it to anybody I want from my Snapchat friend list over here. Let's say I'll send it to Abhinav. Click on the arrow button at the bottom right, and as you guys can see, it has been sent. So that's how you guys can send photos on Snapchat from your gallery. As you guys can see over here, let me show it to you. As you guys can see, it has been sent to him. So that's how you guys can send your photos on Snapchat from gallery. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.